Do yourself a huge favor and steal this tip if you want to gain traction on Reels, TikTok, and even YouTube Shorts. Not only am I going to give you an explosive tip to help you grow on each one of these platforms, but I'm also going to show you the how of how to do this as well. So stay tuned with me. Well, my name is Karin Angelly from KarinAngelly.com. I teach and train entrepreneurs how to actually start attracting leads and sales straight to them in their business so that you can build a business that you love. And today I'm going to go all in on short form video and show you some tips and tricks to help you actually start building an audience on these platforms. So listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and training on how to build your business in the online space. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, tap that like button, and let's get started and help you gain traction with Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And like I said earlier, stick around with me because not only am I going to give you an amazing tip, I'm also going to show you how to actually do this as well. So hang out with me until the end if you want to see all of the goods. All right, so you're probably asking yourself, what tip could Karin possibly teach me that's going to help me gain traction with short form video? What kind of things could I actually share with you? Well, to be completely honest, TikTok is literally what started short form video. They've made it so that people really want to know how to create short form video that actually starts attracting more leads and sales into their business. So we're actually going to start with TikTok today. And ultimately, all three of these different platforms, whether you're looking at TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, all three of these platforms have one thing in common that actually can help you gain traction and get more viewers so that you can create more leads and sales in your business. Now, that one thing that they all have in common is trends. TikTok started with trends. TikTok actually became super popular because of all the trends that were created on the TikTok platform. And anybody that's been around TikTok for any amount of time realizes that getting on trends early is actually what can create massive amounts of traction on your platform. Now, this goes for Instagram, YouTube Shorts as well. It's all about jumping on those trends before they blow up and become really big trends. But how exactly do you do that? Let me go through each one of the platforms and show you some of my favorite ways to figure out what's trending and how to start using it so that you can start gaining more traction on each one of these platforms. And listen, while I have you, before we go and do that, I actually want to direct your attention to the link in the description right now. I actually have even more training on how you can start gaining traction on these short form platforms and start actually attracting leads and sales straight to you in your business. So go ahead and check out that link in the description. But let's get started. Let me show you the how of how to find trends on each one of these social media platforms. Let's start with TikTok first. As you're scrolling the FYP on TikTok and you find a sound that you want to use and that you actually like, the best place to look to see if it's trending is in this disc in the lower right-hand corner. When looking at this sound, the first thing that I always look at is how many videos are actually recorded under it. You want to find videos that aren't too heavily saturated, so I suggest anywhere between 5,000 videos and 500,000 videos. Personally, I look for ones that are less than 50,000 videos. This one is so close to that 5,000 video mark, so I want to take a look even closer and to see if this one is actually trending. The way to do that is actually start tapping on some of the videos here that you see below. What you're looking for is that each of the videos that are close to the top have been made within the past week. If they're more than a week old, it's probably not a good video to go for. However, this one looks pretty promising. This sound also looks like it has a filter that's connected with it. So what I would do is I would hit that use sound button, and that will actually pull up the sound and the filter for you to use in your video. Now that you've seen TikTok, let me show you how to do this exact same thing only on Instagram Reels. When scrolling Instagram Reels, there's actually two places you can look to help you find out what's trending. The first place is the lower left-hand corner here. The second place is the lower right-hand corner right here. When a sound is trending, the lower left-hand corner is going to show an arrow up. That tells me that this sound is trending up. Now, the next thing that you can do to get some more information is to tap on that box in the lower right-hand corner. When you do that, you can actually see that arrow going up in the same place as well. The other thing to note is that you can actually see how many reels this video has connected to it. And just like with TikTok, this is a great way to stay ahead of trends. To me, this is a trending sound that I would definitely get on and start using. And last but not least, I've shown you TikTok, Instagram Reels. Let's talk about YouTube Shorts because personally, I love YouTube and we can't do this training without talking about YouTube. Now, one thing I've discovered with YouTube is that it's literally currently the wild, wild west. It doesn't seem to have as much of a set, hey, this is what's trending right now as TikTok and Reels do. And I think the biggest reason for that is because it really is the wild, wild west right now. So what I've discovered is that what's trending on TikTok actually works really, really well on YouTube as well. Now, if you were to go and you were to take your trending videos on TikTok and put them on YouTube, you do have to be careful about copyright issues. I actually made a YouTube short that'll show you exactly how to figure out if you're getting into copyright issues or going to have some sort of issue on your YouTube channel. Now, what I suggest is that if you go and look at that video and you figure out, oh shoot, I actually am creating a copyright issue, then what I recommend is that if you're getting copyright issues, search on YouTube and see if you can actually find that same sound on YouTube itself. You can then take your video from TikTok, put it on YouTube, and make it so that the sound on YouTube is actually what you use on your YouTube short. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create a video showing you exactly what I do to help bypass this problem altogether. So listen, friend, if you enjoyed this video about how to gain more traction on Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, then you're absolutely going to love the video that YouTube is suggesting you check out right now. So do yourself a favor and check out that video. It's popping up on the screen right now. I want to see you grow in any way, shape, or form, so let me know how I can help you. Now go build your unicorn empire.